Okay, guys, thanks everybody for joining. This is a Generac generator we just ran a line to. I'll give you an overview of what it looked like. So we got there's an X-riser, plastic poly pipe underground. Kind of see. Of course, you don't ever bury below the line. Flex connector always for vibration. Don't ever tie it in solid. Drip leg going in. That's your power supply. £2 meter. And yeah, the pipe's big enough for a 1/4 pound 7-inch system, but future they're going to run line into the house, so you can always run smaller line with a greater pressure, but you have to have second stage regulators, so always keep that in mind. Strapped, labeled. These don't have 2 pound because it's a 1/4 pound coming out of the regulator. That's your gas regulator. You can see 6.5 14 inches adjustable. Valve before the regulator and a drip. Catch any condensate or any particles that come through the line. Gas supply here provides a cutoff, external cutoff. It's not code, but they do require it. Trying to see. What we got going on, give everybody kind of a quick overview. If you ever wanted to try and put a gas line in to a Generac generator, and usually 3/4 inch inlet on a generator, you can get by with smaller pipe depending upon your pressure supplied, but general rule, if you're running low pressure, 3/4. But union before and then union after, that way if you ever have any problems down the road, you can just break this right out, replace the regulator, stick it back on with no issue. Tracer wire for locating. See in the bottom of the silver yellow stripe, that's locate tape for digging purposes. Generally speaking, this is your typical install for a natural gas on this job or propane gas line exposure to a Generac generator, whole house generator. Still got to paint the pipe here, but overall, yeah, painting the pipe is North Carolina code for corrosion protection. Anytime you see red indexes and red caps, look for 2 pound or higher pressure than normal operating. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure and like it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. One quick overview back. Let's see what you got. That gauge has been on since the house has been built, but I think it went to a set of logs or something. But don't know if we want to use that or not, so we stubbed out for future. And the gas supply around here, they do hang their requirements, as you can see, on a paper. Which is different from most places. Most places let you use state code or international code, whichever you go by. Like I say, we got another generator installed. This was the electric trench for the power line going to the switchover box. At the meter. You can see here. Go back over to the side and one last look. All right, guys, till next time, guys, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, everybody, for watching.